In this video, we are going to see how to use the organization PDF import, accessible through the organization menu, PDF imports. The first step is to upload the PDF template. You have one English and one French template available on this page. You need to give these templates to the organization you want to import data from, so they can fill it and give it back to you. Once you got the filled template, you can add it to the solution through the Select button, and then click on Next. Step 2 show you the elements you are going to create or modify. Thanks to the template you can add and update either an organization or an individual who will be the person of contact of the organization. You can create both elements if none of them already exist in the application, create one and update the other, or update both if they already exist. You can correct these fields if needed. If the application detects one of the elements you want to import on the application, but you want to create a new element without updating the existing one, you can just select the empty line in the selection menu. Then click on Next. Step 3 leads you to the data visualization page. You can see the name of the property who is going to be edited, the value present on the PDF, the current value on the application, and a checkbox that allow you to choose if you want to import or not the modification. This checkbox is checked by default, which means the change will be imported. On the element we choose to create, we can see the octal value filed is empty. On the element we choose to update, we can see the octal value filed has some informations. These informations are going to be replaced by the informations of the PDF, unless you uncheck the Replace box. Once you're done, you can click on Import and proceed to Step 4. This leads you to a result page, where you can see the elements created and updated. If you want to go on the elements forms, you can click on their names.